Hey guys, so today I want to recommend my all-time favorite bag for everyday use. This is the Longchamp Le Pliage, or however you pronounce that bag. I have it in this color and in this size, but there's a ton of different sizes and colors, and I use this every single day and I love it to death. It is super lightweight and its design, it's just super comfortable to use. It fits a whole lot. I even fit my MacBook into this, so I use it for school every single day and it's super comfortable. I usually wear it over my shoulder, and yeah, I've had this bag for like 3 years and it's in great condition. So it has like a little clip like this, and you open it with its zipper, and it's very spacious, and it also has like a little pocket in here. And I just absolutely love it. I also wear it a lot, like, you know, you can just like clip it like that, not fully close it for easy access. And another very cool aspect about this bag is that you can fold it up really tiny for traveling. So if you're like carrying your backpack, but you also want to take your Longchamp, you can fold it, put it in your backpack, and then open it when you like want to use it. I'll show you guys. So this is how you can also fold it. I did not do a very good job at it, but it's super tiny, so you can fit it like in your luggage, in your backpack, as I said. You can fit it literally everywhere, and you have like your everyday bag just ready to be used whenever you want. And it's just as easy as opening it, and voila, you have your bag. So if I had to recommend only one bag to someone, it would be this. This is perfect for everyday use. It is super cute. I get a ton of compliments by using this bag, and I cannot rave about this product enough. So if you're looking for like an everyday school bag, an everyday bag that fits literally everything, super comfortable, looks cute with everything, this is your friend. So yeah, check it out, guys.